Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Splunk Enterprise Security, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by launching the Splunk Enterprise Security application. Log in using your credentials. Navigate to the Splunk homepage. Click on the Apps drop-down menu. Select Enterprise Security from the list of available applications. Once the dashboard loads, familiarize yourself with the layout. On the left sidebar, locate the Security Posture section. Click on Security Posture to view top-level security metrics. Next, explore the Notable Events dashboard. This area displays alerts and security incidents detected by Splunk. To delve deeper, click on an individual notable event. Review the event details to understand its context and severity. To investigate further, use the Investigation button. This will provide additional information and potential actions. Next, go to the search bar at the top of the interface. You can perform specific searches by entering commands here. Utilize pre-built dashboards for common security queries. Click on the Dashboards tab in the left sidebar. Select a dashboard that aligns with your focus area, such as intrusion detection. Adjust time frames as needed to hone in on specific. After you've pulled the relevant data, analyze the visualizations presented. If further action is necessary, consider creating an alert. Click on Configure, then Alerts, to set up new alert criteria. Fill in the required fields to create your alert. Review and save your new alert settings. To ensure comprehensive coverage, utilize the Reports feature. Navigate back to the left sidebar and click on Reports. Select existing reports or create new ones based on your needs. Finally, regularly monitor the dashboards to stay informed on security trends. With these steps, you'll be proficient in navigating Splunk Enterprise Security. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.